Hi guys, I was given a code from Wicked Uncle and their website is wickeduncle.com. It's a great place to buy gifts for kids because you can search by gender, you can search by age, you can search all kinds of toys if you want. You can just put a search bar what you're looking for. You find a lot of great things and it's just a great place to look for brilliant children's presents. Now, here's some of the things I purchased with the code that they so graciously gave me in order to tell you more about this. So I got 50 greatest card tricks. And there's all kinds of cards and tricks and instruction booklets in here. This is by Marvin's Magic. It's incredible card tricks to amaze and impress. Includes everything you need to be a wizard with cards. So I figured my kids would probably like that. And I also got 50 amazing magic tricks by Marvin's Magic. So they have everything you need to be a master magician. Seriously baffling magic to amaze and impress. And I think I'll have the kids, probably Jimmy, try some of these tricks out. There are some tricks that I know about. I should show the dollar trick that my daughter's friend, who's a magician, taught me. It's really neat. I will probably do them on a video. Maybe we'll have Monday Magic. I don't know. We'll see. So the other things that I purchased were these Waboba big kahuna balls. I've worked with this company before. We have their other balls, but these are the big balls. They bounce on water, and so I picked 2 of these up. Fun for the lake, right? And then I picked up this, which is the IQ Puzzler Pro. It's magnetic. It's from Smart Games, and there's easy to expert 120 challenges, and we like stuff like this. So I picked up these things. I can't wait to use them. I'll probably do a video of each of them separately, but right now you can check out for yourself Wicked Uncle, Brilliant Children's Presents, and I love your thoughts on what you think of the website and what you think of the things that I got, and I will bring you more on them. But thank you so much for watching. I have other unboxings to do and good stuff to bring you, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.